The Epicon 7235 is the powerful all-purpose genius for any workshop. The Epicon 5-axis CNC opens up new horizons for your creativity. Machining lengths of 3,680 to 7,280 mm in the X direction and a remilling dimension of 1,650 mm are achieved with all drills and units. The extreme machining height of true 300 mm from the top edge of the vacuum cups with a generous Z stroke of 565 mm provides sufficient clearance even for complex workpieces. The optimized design of the gantry bridge and the machine column provides the optimum basis for absolute precise and perfectly milled workpieces, and at the same time allows extreme acceleration and milling speeds. In addition, there are high-precision servo direct drives, wear-free couplings, and covered precision linear guides on which HOLZHER provides a 10-year warranty. The high dynamics and great pulling power of the powerful liquid-cooled 13 kilowatt milling spindle ensure optimum milling results and short machining cycles. For extreme high-cutting operations, the Epicon 7235 can also be equipped with the 18 kilowatt Pro Torque spindle. The extreme performance data across the entire speed spectrum and the intelligent software-controlled axis locking will convince you with perfect machining results. The drilling unit supplied is ideally set up for row drilling and back panel grooves in furniture and structural engineering. Optionally, it can be supplemented with a second grooving saw and additional horizontal drills. For series production, the XL drill head for line drilling with even more flexible drill equipment is also available as an alternative. The XL drill head can also be adapted exactly to your needs with additional options. The Campus software package installed on the machine automatically optimizes the coordination between the milling spindle and the drilling head. This minimizes the machining times. The traveling 18-fold plate changer can optionally be extended to the 24-fold plate shown here. All mold changes convince with a short chip-to-chip time. The 5-axis technology in particular offers enormous possibilities through the use of saw blades. For this purpose, the Epicon provides a travelling charger for saw blades up to 350 mm diameter on request. You get even more tool positions with the lateral 14-fold linear changer. Depending on the application and equipment, the Epicon 7235 even offers up to 97 tool positions. The machine software immediately generates a suction suggestion when a workpiece is placed on it. This allows the consoles and the vacuum cups to be placed precisely in a matter of minutes via the laser pointer. For complex workpieces and rotated suction cups, the optional sealing laser supports you by displaying the position of all suction cups and consoles in one step and specifying the ideal position of curved workpieces and bends. For the series production of furniture or semi-finished products, the parametrically programmed workpieces can be mirrored or rotated fully automatically. An additional middle stop row is particularly helpful for this purpose, which then enables pendulum machining on up to 8 fields. Wherever chips are milled, they also fall. This is why there is the optional space-saving chip conveyor integrated in the machine column. This ensures that even large quantities of chips are reliably conveyed to the extraction system. With 1500 mm between the stops, the standard table offers plenty of space, even for extra wide workpieces. In addition, the ergonomic loading aids make it easier to place such heavy components. High-precision linear guides and pneumatic brakes, as well as stop pins in hardened guide brushes, form the basis here for precise machining results, even under full load. A variety of sophisticated and practical vacuum cups and variable frame clamps allow the Epicon to be adapted to any challenge. In addition to furniture construction, you can also perfectly process solid wood parts and construction elements. Safety for the operator has absolute priority. The acknowledged versatile Campus software package offers easy programming of even complex parts thanks to a wealth of existing macros and auxiliary functions such as easy snaps, free planes, auxiliary geometries and much more. In this way, not only furniture parts but also structural elements such as doors can be created fully parametrically with just a few clicks. All programming levels are arranged in an extremely clear and user-friendly manner. The Campus Plus software package of Epicon already offers the Better Sim ablation simulation as a standard feature. This makes it possible to check the real work steps already during work preparation. A complete machine display including suction cups and consoles is also available as an option. The professional DXF import of parts from CAD software allows the direct placement of workpieces from CAD onto the work center. The only prerequisite of this are suitable layers in the design software. Even complex 5-axis machining can be easily implemented thanks to the open interface of the Campus software and the possible connection to 3-dimensional CAD/CAM programs from all major manufacturers. Data transfer from leading room design programs is also possible at the click of a mouse. Of course, HOLZHER also ensures an excellent energy balance by using state-of-the-art drive and control technologies. The Epicon 7235 is the powerful universal genius for your workshop. Contact your HOLZHER partner for an individual and convincing live demo.